Happy birthday, Apo! Ayusin mo yung pag-aaral mo, no? Alam ko, matalino ka. Happy birthday!
Oh, Jay, happy birthday. Sana ayusin mo yung pag-aaral mo, no? Sana lagi kang success sa sa pag-aaral mo para natutuwa yung tatay mo at yung nanay mo, no? Okay, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi, ha?
I love you. I miss you.
Love you.
So, every birthday,
Birthday,
one
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Apo. I love you.
Happy birthday.
I miss you.
Come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jay.
Happy 7th birthday, AJ!
Continue to grow kind, smart, and loving. Always respect to your parents.
And with faith in God, keep shining and smiling every day. Into Junjun and Fleur and Liam, loves you.
Happy
birthday!
AJ.
Blow, blow!
Look. Woo! Palakpakan! Palakpakan!
Happy birthday, AJ!
Hello, AJ. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi AJ, happy 7th birthday. Always listen to your mama and papa and always take good care of CJ like a big ate. I'm hoping that you have a lot of new friends in your new school and I hope you enjoy your new school. We're hoping that we could celebrate it with you in your 7th birthday, but we're sending lots of love and hugs in here. Happy 7th birthday!
Hi AJ, happy birthday, we miss you. Always obey your parents and God bless you always. Let God be as the center of your life and we miss you. Bye bye.
Happy 7th birthday, AJ. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with fun and laughter. We love you.
Happy birthday, EJ. Happy birthday, EJ.
Happy birthday, JJ. Wish ni Tati sana lagi kang healthy. Tapos, magpakabait ka lagi kay Mama at Papa, ha? Tati and Toto and Baby Ading loves you. Iingat ikaw palagi.
Happy birthday, AJ. Yan. Stay pretty palagi and stay good girl. Miss ka na ni Tito. Love you. Ingat.
Hi, AJ! Happy 7th birthday! Ang wish ni Mami sa'yo, maging mabait, masunurin ka kay Mama at Papa mo, mag-aral ng mabuti para lahat ng dreams mo ay makamit mo. Again, happy birthday. God bless you. I love you.
More birthdays to come and I hope your dreams will come true. Avoid being maldita to your mom and dad.
Stop being bruha. Happy birthday, more gifts to come, and regards to CJ. CJ, how are you?
Enjoy.